Hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to my channel, Stock Market Teacher. Now, one of the main reasons, okay, why traders fail in the market is due to the boredom they feel during the market hours. Now, why this boredom arises? The boredom arises from within because we humans tend to be busy. We like to be busy, and when we have nothing to do, we want to do something. But in the trading world, it is a disaster if you like to do something when there are no opportunities. So today was one such day where the markets were pretty boring. Okay, there was not much movement, not much volatility in the markets. So boredom is one of the causes, okay, where we tend to say, okay, let's take one trade and let's see what happens, and then we end up losing money on that particular trade. So you do not have self control in these scenarios. So you need to gain that self control. Now, I'm going to tell you what to do in case of boredom, and in order to develop a self control at the end of this video. So do watch the video till the end. Do not hop and skip and just see what is happening in this video. What are the interesting parts? Trading is not that. Trading is a pretty boring job, a pretty monotonous job. But if you do it properly, you will earn big in this market. Then only the money is easy. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult, and you're going to end up giving your hard-earned money to the professional who is ready to wait, who is ready to take the boredom, and who is ready to play the setups that he is or she is good at. All right. Now let's see what how the market played out today. Let's see the levels that we discussed in our Friday's video for today's market session, how they planned out. Okay. Now, if you saw my video that I had published or updated on my YouTube channel on Friday evening, I had marked the levels clearly where the market might face resistance and where the market might take support. So I had mentioned in the video, okay, that the market might fall from this particular level because this was a resistance zone, and the market did fall from this particular level. And I had also mentioned in the video on Nifty, I'm referring to Nifty, that where it could find support, and exactly around that particular zone the Nifty did find support. So these are the importance of levels which I keep repeating in my videos. Understand the levels, understand where the buyers might come in, understand where the sellers might come in. This will help you to not take unnecessary trades just because the market is moving. Okay, that could be a trap, and I know I have been there, trapping myself for years together, but I know now how these levels work. Okay, so that was Nifty, and Bank Nifty the same thing. Okay, there's not much difference in Bank Nifty also, which I discussed in the video, okay, on my video on the Friday. The levels that were marked acted perfectly as the resistance and the support levels, though the market was very boring today. Okay, and in this boring markets you end up taking some trades which we need to control. So the market was very boring, there was not much movement, could be a sign that there could be a big movement coming in the coming days. So let's, if you have not watched my Friday video or the videos before that which I have discussed the levels, please go and watch it. Okay, and if you like, if this is helping you, please do like the videos. It just takes a hit a click on the like button, okay, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video you're notified immediately. And do share with your family and friends who want to learn how the market works, how the levels work in the markets. All right, so let's understand today's market session, and we'll mark the levels for tomorrow's session. Now we are starting with Nifty. You see in the Nifty can be seen it was pretty boring market. It was a sideways market within the range of the previous day session. So there was nothing much happening in the markets. Okay. So this was the case of Nifty. So let's mark our levels. Okay. As you know, I start marking the levels with the high and the low. So this is my high for the day. Okay, this was the high for the day, which is this level. The high for the day was 17,824 level. That was the high for the day for Nifty, and the low for the day on Nifty was around this particular zone, which is 17,698 level. So this was the low for the day, and the low for the day I just mark it to, okay, just to differentiate between the high and the lows. I mark it in blue and I make it dotted level. Okay, so this was a very pretty narrow range in today's session, which could be a sign that we could be seeing some big movement. Okay, you don't know when, you have to be ready for it. Big movement coming maybe during this week or maybe a week after that, but let's wait and watch. This was a particular narrow range. Now let's mark the levels. Okay, let's mark where the support might come in for Nifty and where it could find resistance. So let's understand the levels. Now, the very simple way, see, the market moved higher from this level and the market turned from this level. Now this level makes it very important. So now what this level, we call this level, is nothing but a simple resistance level or a supply zone. So you could see the Nifty finding a resistance around 17,860 to 17,880 levels. So this is your resistance level. Now why I have highlighted this level? This level, why I have highlighted, is because this level tells us that this is the supply zone where you could see supply coming in. I should not be taking a long position on around this particular zone. Okay, if I have to take a position and if I have to play in line with the market, I should be looking at a shorting the market. Now, how to short it? That depends on the style of your entry. Are you, going to immediately enter a trade as soon as the price reaches this level? Are you waiting for a candlestick confirmation? Okay, are you a mean reversion trader? Are you a breakout trader? You need to identify yourself. Without these things, you cannot be successful in the markets. You have to understand that. All right, so this is your resistance level. This is one resistance where the price might face the resistance, and this is another previous day high. It could face a resistance. Where is the next resistance? Next resistance, which we have marked in the previous video also, and this level is still intact. Okay, this level could okay, another resistance level which is around 17,960 to 17,980 levels. Okay, that could be another resistance level here for this particular market. Okay, this could be a particular resistance level around this level. Okay, so now you see these are the two levels that you need to watch out for in the markets in terms of resistances. Now where it could find support. Okay, now where it could find support. Now as in regards to the current day's price action, that is today's price action, the Nifty has taken a support around this particular level. So this level marks it a very strong support zone for this. Okay, this level marks it a strong support. This was a supply zone earlier. Okay, as we had discussed in the Friday's video, and this level was broken, and this marked as a support in today's session. So the price came down, here, and it went up, bounce higher from this level. Okay, so this was the area to go long in this particular scenario. Okay, now here if you see, okay, this is a support zone. Now here if you see, the price came down, okay, bounced higher, okay, the bounced higher, and then it fall it fell from this level. So this could be another resistance level, and you could see in the later half of the day today, this was acting as a resistance level. You see here, this was acting as a resistance level. You can see the wicks confirming you that this is another resistance level here for the Nifty. Okay, so is these are the particular zones the Nifty might move around in tomorrow's sessions. Okay, so these are your resistance zones. Now the price is trading around 17,760 levels. Okay, if there is a gap down tomorrow here, and if there is any buying signal, this is an opportunity to go long and not to go short. If the market opens flat, you need to wait and watch how the price is moving. Is it breaking out? Okay, if it breaks out the next two resistance levels. Okay, and if you're a breakout trader, do you take a long position on this? Okay, it is up to you how you trade this particular levels. And if there is a huge gap up towards this level, okay, this is not a area to take immediately. Wait and watch and let the price action play out, and then you will get an indication whether there is a selling coming in or whether buyers are coming in. So it's purely understanding the price action. It is very important for you to understand the price action. So these are the levels which we are looking for. If there is a gap down below this level, okay, if there is a gap down below this level where the market could see a support, the market could see a support around these levels. Okay, why this level? You see the price came down, bounced higher, it faced resistance here, it came down here, and there was a breakout. So around this particular level, the price could find the support here. Okay, what is that support level? The support level is between 17,625 to 17,640 levels is the support level, and there is another support level here. Okay, there is another support level here which is around the zone of 17,580 to 17,600 levels. Okay, so these are your levels that you need to watch out for, whether you want to do scalping, whether you want to play the momentum, whether you want to catch the trend. You need to play the markets accordingly depending on the levels that are being tested, that are being the price is moving about, and the breakouts that are happening. Okay, I hope these levels are clear for you. These are very simple to understand. So this is your Nifty levels. Let's understand Bank Nifty. Okay, to understand Bank Nifty. As you see, Bank Nifty was also in a small range, okay, small range, okay, within the previous day's session, that is the Friday session, and we could see a big move in Bank Nifty also in the coming days. We don't know when. We have to wait and watch. Let the market tell you. So let's first mark the low of this. Okay, the low of the Bank Nifty is around 41,250 levels. The high for today's session was around 41,730 levels, which I'll mark it in a dashed line. Okay, I'll make it a little thinner, and this is your red marking. Okay, so this helps me differentiate which is your day's high and the day's low. Okay, day's high and the day's low. Now, as discussed, again I repeat the same things. Okay, it's simple. This zone was acting as a resistance. This zone broke. Okay, this resistance was broken in the Friday session itself. We had discussed that this could act as a support level in today's session, and see how beautifully this acted as a support level in today's session. Okay, this zone acted as a support level. 41,300 level acted as a support level. Okay, now you see here, along with the day's high, okay, the price has fallen from this level, so this also marks as a supply zone. So this is a very critical level for Bank Nifty in tomorrow's session. We need to wait and watch whether there will be a breakout, whether there will be a gap up. We need to wait and watch. But 41,680 to 41,700 level, this could be your resistance zone. Okay, this is your supply zone, where this is not the zone where you need to take a, the price has fallen clearly from here. You will see here the price has fallen. This will mark it as a supply zone. Okay, so the market has closed here around this particular level. Now, where are other zones where you could find support levels? Okay, where are other zones where you could find support levels? So now you see here, you need to identify where the price has made a move. Okay, so this is was the resistance zone earlier. This could act as a support level here. The price broke out. Okay, so 40,882. Okay, so around 40,880 to 40,950 levels. This could be another support here for Bank Nifty. Okay, and this level which we had highlighted in one of the videos in our previous session, this could be a major support zone. Why I say major support zone? You see the price was in a range bound market. The range broke, and there was a huge move on in Friday's session. Okay, so this could act as a strong support zone for Bank Nifty. What is the zone? 40,590 to 40,650 levels. This could act as a 650 to 670 levels. This could act as your strong support levels for Bank Nifty. Okay, if there is a gap up, or if there is a breakout above this particular level and the price continues to show strength, this is your huge hurdle. This is a huge hurdle for Bank Nifty now. Now, what is that level? 40,980 to 42,000. So 42,000 marks a very significant level wherein we could see a big sell off or a breakthrough to make new highs in the markets. Okay, so let the market decide it. You are not supposed to hope and pray that okay, this is going to happen. No, let the market decide. The market will give you a clear indication. So these are the levels that we need to look out for. Okay, in tomorrow's session. This also could mark as a strong, a kind of a resistance level here, because you see the market has fallen from this level. So this is why it is a very tight range. So we need not take all the resistances and supports for trading. Okay, over trading also kills your account. Okay, so avoid over trading. So these are the levels you need to look out for. If there's a gap down, or if the price opens below the previous day low and the sell-off continues, you could see a support coming in around this zone. Okay, or if there is a gap up to this level, this is not the zone to take a long position immediately. Okay, if there is any sell signal here, we could go short, but you need to wait and watch what are your entries looking out for. You need to see If there is a breakout, this acts as a major hurdle for the market, the 42,000 level. Okay, so the market has to spend time before the breakout, then only it is a valid breakout. But I will make another video how to understand that. So these are the levels which you are looking at, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels. Okay, and in regards to the first at the start of the video, as I mentioned, how to uh, stay away from boredom. Okay, how to not take unnecessary trades when you're bored in the markets, when there are no opportunities. Simple things. Spend time with your family. Okay, talk to them. Pick up a phone and talk to your friends. Okay, or if you have a hobby of reading, take out that book which has been lying in your library or in your shelf. Read. Okay, wait for the market, or you can place an alert when where the level you're watching for, when the price comes to that level. Once that alert comes in, then you can go and take a long trade. So this will avoid, okay, or this will help you to overcome the boredom. And once you overcome the boredom and you wait for the right opportunity, that's when you're marking it as a professional trader in the markets. That is why most of the traders fail in the market. So you need to understand how to identify or how to deal with the boredom. There are simple techniques which you can do. Or watch TV or watch something and don't look at the charts until the price comes to that level, because you have placed an alert, right? So these are simple things that you can look at and trade the market efficiently. Okay, I hope these levels will help you tomorrow in trading. Understand, learn the levels. Okay, and please do like the video. Just hit on like button. You just takes a click of the button. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, and hit on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, okay, whenever sometimes out of the blue I just upload a video, you are notified that uh, there's a video coming from Stock Market Teacher. All the best in tomorrow's session. Thank you.